also known by its scientific name Orsinusorca. The killer whale is the largest member of the family of anything, the dolphins. Even though they live in the ocean, killer whales are air-breathing, warm-blooded mammals. Male killer whale, called a wolf, is about 5.8 to 6.7 meters long. That's about 19 to 22 feet. It weighs between 3,600 and 5,400 kilograms, or about 4 to 6 tons. Females, called chow, are smaller.
Hey, what's happening, George? You found a new family, pal? See you after college.
Bounce off objects in the water. The killer whale hears and interprets the echoes to learn about its surroundings. In dark or murky water, echolocation is far more reliable than eyesight. An echolocating killer whale can determine not only the presence of an object, but also its size, shape, and even distance. As with many species, a social hierarchy is identified. The whales rank themselves in established dominance by slapping their tails